was our first day on the road. We'd only just picked up the higher four drive, and it was time to stop by a local cafe for a quick coffee and bagel in Fremantle. We head to the closest bay for a swim at the first beach on the western side of Australia. My plan for this trip was to predominantly hug the coastline all the way down from Perth as far as we could go in 12 days. This was just the beginning of the raw and beautiful nature that Western Australia has to offer.
Yeah, let's do it.
Change that to fourth, please. Thank you. Got my helper, thank you.
I changed it like a lady.
Oh yeah. Almost in Bunbury, let's go. Whew. First railway crossing.
Can
Let's
I
go.
go now?
Let's
Okay,
go.
go now. Are you plugged in? You haven't put the you haven't connected the hose.
Yeah, oh, no, I haven't done. Not a good start.
Blooper reel?
Yeah. Alright, come under here.
Oh goodness me.
Now what we have to do...
No, you are connected.
No, I just got to open this.
Oh.
There you go.
Turn the gas on.
I'm not a dum-dum, okay?
Hey, if you
So-
say so.
Come over here. You got the gas.
Yeah, we can see you.
Hey!
Don't
Whoa.
do this at home.
Got some hot flames.
Turn it down.
Oh yeah. That's good. It was a stunning day. Woke up to this. Coffee on the go. Ew.
Woke up to your mum's tits.
Oh. Busselton is a city in the southwest region of the state of Western Australia, approximately 220 kilometres southwest of Perth. The city of Busselton sits on Wadandi country. Being quite a famous place, we had it pretty much mostly to ourselves. As you can see, only a few people on the beach. We did want to swim here, but we found a better place a little bit further down the coast.
Yum.
So just got this made up.
Jerry
we went
can.
to Shelter Brewing in Busselton. Pete from WA Camping Adventures got me onto them, so definitely worth the stop. Got pretty much a litre of beer and it's beautiful. So keen on that one. Yeah. Oh yeah. Coming? No, let's go over here, yeah. Do a cartwheel. After having a few beers at Shelter, we went a little bit further down the coast to a secluded beach to have a swim. The water's so warm here. We're just on the beach having a bit of a swim, and on the way back just picked all this up, so pick up your rubbish, don't be a grub. Somewhere to park.
Take your hand.
Oh, so beautiful.
Like cozy with the red rock.
Yeah, the colours here are stunning. Oh my god, look to the right.
Wow. Look at that beach. Wow.
Yeah,
so
snorkeling
blue.
here and stuff would be great. And the sun's like not even out and it's still this colour.
Love the way you move.
Let's go get some food, hey, lunch. Have some cheese platter, cold beer. Just beautiful here. I'll get the drone up soon and show you. Beautiful. The water right out there is so blue. It's like insane. The day was getting on, so we looked up a place to camp for overnight. Smith's Beach showed up on Wikicamps, so we had to go and check it out in person. I'm extremely glad we did. It was an absolute beautiful place. Enjoy. All of the hard work we've done over the past year, this is what it's for. This is why we do it.